Hello everyone. So in this video we're gonna try to find the distance between 2 points. Right, in this case we have the 2 points are 7 and -5 and 3 and -3, right? So those are the coordinates. So according to the formula distance, so the distance is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. All right, so it's a question to determine which one x1 y1 and x2 y2. So you can go ahead with the 2's first, so x2 y2 here, and then this one x1 y1, right? Out with the x and the y, they need to have the same indices for the same points. So x1 goes with y1 and x2 goes with y2. All right, okay, so now if I plug it into the formula, this is going to be the square root again, and we have x2, which is 7 minus 3, so the 3 is x1 here, plus we're gonna go with the y2 right now, so which is -5, and then minus the y1, which is -3. So you see here -3 I put between parentheses because two negative signs together, right? Okay, so let's work on the sum of these numbers. So still have a square root over here. So 7 minus 3, that's easy. That's going to be a 4. I forget the squares here, so 4 squares. And over here you just have to combine the two minus signs, all right? So you would turn into -5 plus 3, right? So -5 plus 3, that's going to give you a -2. You put it between parentheses and then square it. So then you're going to square and add. So this is going to be 4 squared, which is 16, and -2 squared is going to be a 4, right? So this is going to be square root of 20 if you add the two numbers together. And here you need to simplify. So how can I break down 20 into one perfect square at least? So I can put a 4 here and a 5 here, all right? So this is going to turn into square root of 4, which is 2, and radical 5. And this is your final answer, right? I just want to show a trick here so it might go faster. If you write the two numbers, right, so horizontally 3 and -3, so it doesn't matter which one comes first, all right? So just put them vertically, and what you're gonna do is, instead of doing a minus, you're gonna flip the signs of the one of them, which is the second one I go, right? So this you can see here negative, so you're gonna turn it to a positive, and this one was no sign, so I'm assuming it's positive, so you're gonna turn it into a negative. And then you add them up vertically. So 7 minus 3, that's going to give you a 4. -5 plus 3, that's going to give you -2. So you see the two numbers that I have here without even using the formula is the same two numbers I have here. So what you need to do in this step, you just square them up, add them up, and then do the square root, right? So if you do that, is the same square root of 16, 4, which is radical 20, and that's therefore it can be 2 radical 5, right? So it's up to you which one you want to use. I hope this helped a little bit.